Heating effect of electric current has wide applications in domestic appliances and industries. Electrical appliances. Electrical appliances like electric heater and electric iron are based on the same principle that heat is produced when electric current flows through a wire. These appliances use nichrome as a heating element. Nichrome is an alloy of nickel and chromium. Nichrome is used because it has high resistivity, high melting point, and does not oxidize easily. It can also be easily drawn into wires. Incandescent lamp. The incandescent lamp which we use in our daily lives is another example of the usage of heating effect of current. The electric bulb consists of a coiled filament of pure metallic tungsten, which has a melting point above 3000 degrees centigrade. The filament is enclosed in a glass bulb with some inert gas, like argon or neon, at appropriate pressure. The presence of these gases retards the evaporation of the filament and makes it possible to operate it at high temperatures. When heated to a high temperature, the filament becomes white hot and starts emitting light. Any small variation in the diameter of the filament reduces the life of the bulb considerably. Safety fuse. An electric fuse is a device that is used to protect electric circuits and electric appliances against high current caused by short-circuiting or overloading due to withdrawal of large current. A fuse is a short piece of wire made of a material of high resistance and low melting point. The fuse wire is an alloy of lead and tin. The fuse wire is connected in series with the electrical installation. When the current in the circuit exceeds the rated value, the fuse wire gets heated to a temperature higher than its melting point. The wire melts and the electric circuit is cut off. The temperature to which the wire gets heated is directly proportional to the square of the current and inversely proportional to the square of the radius. Thus, the temperature depends only on the current flowing through the wire and its radius, irrespective of its length. The two types of fuses that are most commonly used are plug fuse and cartridge fuse.